Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we're checking out one of Samsung's most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026. This phone brings a perfect mix of power, design, and performance, all packed in a price that makes it a total game changer for 2026. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy A57 Pro 5G carries that clean, elegant Samsung DNA, slim edges, smooth curves, and a glass-like matte finish that feels premium in hand. The new ice silver gradient color reflects beautifully under light, giving it a futuristic glow. The phone's build quality instantly reminds you of Samsung's flagship series, but at a much more affordable price. On the front, we have a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, crisp, and perfect for gaming or Netflix marathons. The colors pop beautifully, and the smoothness feels flagship level. Under the hood, the A57 Pro 5G runs on Samsung's latest Exynos 1585G chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Multitasking, gaming, and daily use all feel fluid and fast. Whether you're switching between heavy apps or recording 4K videos, this phone handles it effortlessly with the help of its advanced cooling system. Now coming to the camera setup, the A57 Pro 5G features a 64-megapixels triple camera system that captures detailed photos in every condition. There's also a 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixels depth sensor that enhance your portraits and wide shots. The AI Image Boost feature intelligently adjusts lighting and contrast, giving your photos that pro-level Samsung finish. Battery life is another big highlight. A 5200 mAh battery with 60W super fast charging. You can go from 0 to 70% in around 25 minutes, which is perfect for users on the go. And with Samsung's adaptive power saving mode, you'll easily get a full day of use. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026 is the perfect mid-range beast, stylish, powerful,